Hi everyone, I'm Matthew Alor. Welcome to your MCE practice exam session where we'll tackle questions just like the real exam. I'll guide you step by step so you can practice, improve, and boost your confidence. Stay focused, follow along, and let's get exam ready together. So let's dive in.
For each of the following scenarios, select yes if the ICT resource helps resolve logistical challenges of reaching the desired educational outcome. Otherwise, select no. There are not enough computers in your classroom for students to have one-to-one devices. So, you pair the students and have them share. No. As students in a New York school use teleconferencing to visit Mona Lisa exhibit at the Louvre Museum in Paris, France, and ask questions of the tour guide. Yes. You acquire a set of USB drives for students to use for submitting homework assignments. No. You acquire a flight simulator to safely teach your aviation students the basic skills of flying a small craft. Yes. Correct. You want to teach your chemistry students about violent reactions that can occur when specific compounds are mixed with a catalyst, but the reactions are too dangerous for students to perform. Select the best ICT resource to help resolve or manage the logistical challenges of reaching the desired educational outcome. You demonstrate the reaction from the front of the class and require all of the students to wear safety goggles and protective clothing. No. You show your students video clips of the violent reactions. You assign your students a series of journal articles to read about these dangerous reactions. No. You use a PowerPoint presentation to explain the reaction to your students. No. So the best resource would be this. You show your students video clips of the violent reactions. Correct. This question requires that you evaluate the underlying text to determine if it is correct. You work in an elementary school with the following ICT resources: 3 portable carts with enough tablets, computers for one-to-one student use, six document cameras, 6 digital cameras, DVD player connected to large DVD monitor in every classroom, desktop computer and projector in each classroom, site license of Microsoft 365. Your class of 11 to 12-year-old students have been studying butterflies. You assign them to collect specimens over the weekend and bring them to class to share and discuss. According to 21 CRD, use of ICT to be an effective educator. The best resources to support your educational outcome will be to take photos of the students' specimens and put them into a PowerPoint presentation. Review the underlying text. If it makes the statement correct, select no change is needed. If the statement is incorrect, select the answer choice that makes the statement correct. No change is needed. Connect a document camera to the projector to display each butterfly. Photograph the butterflies with the digital cameras and connect them to the projector for display. Have the student photograph each butterfly with a tablet, then use the tablet to enlarge the butterflies for discussion. Okay, with all of these resources, okay, connect a document camera to the projector to display each butterfly. Will be the best choice. Okay. Okay. So the best resource to support your educational outcome would be to connect a document camera to the projector to display each butterfly. Correct. You teach creative writing to a class of 15 to 16-year-old students. You'll be studying poetry and the structure of stanzas. You want to share some of the students' work with the class. Poems were handwritten on paper. According to 21 CLD, use of ICT to be an effective educator. Which resources will be the best support your educational outcome? Microsoft Word, no. Microphone connected to a loudspeaker, no. PowerPoint presentation and projector, no. Document camera connected to a projector. So you want to share some of the student work. Document connected to a projector. Document camera, sorry. Document camera connected to a projector. Document camera connected to a projector. Correct. You are a physical education teacher with a class of 40 students. You have divided the class into teams to learn specific sports. The physical education department has 4 digital cameras, 8 video cameras, and 4 laptop computers. You have created a series of activities that teach popular strategies executed during a of the sport. One of the activities requires each team to demonstrate their mastery of the strategies so the entire class can discuss and critique. According to 21 CRD, use of ICT to be an effective educator with pedagogical approach using ICT resources will best meet the educational outcome. At the conclusion of the activity series, have each team perform a self-evaluation using an online survey. No. Randomize the activities so the teams can use the laptop computers at different times. No. Instruct the teams to photograph their skill demonstrations and post them onto the school blog for critique. No. Instruct the teams to video record their demonstrations so they can be shown to the entire class. Yes. Okay, that will be the best. That will be This will best meet the educational outcome. So instruct the teams to video record their demonstrations so they can be shown to the entire class. Correct. You teach a class of 20 students, ages 11 to 12 years old. You have access to a wheel cart containing 12 laptop computers that you share with another class. You have a desktop computer and a projector in your class. You are teaching a unit about trees and want the student to understand how different species of trees grow over time. You will provide the student with photographs of trees and tables of data. The students must use this information to produce charts in Microsoft Excel and share their findings with the class using PowerPoint. According to 21 CLD, use of ICT to be an effective educator, which pedagogical approach using ICT resources will best meet the educational outcome. Divide the class into 10 pairs of students. Assign each pair to work collaboratively to create the chart and presentation. Create a rotation schedule with the other class so you can use the computers. Assign every student a turn on the computer to produce their own chart and presentation. Divide the projector, divide the project into series of tasks. Allocate each task to a different student. Assign all of the students to create their own chart and presentation. Divide the class into 10 pairs. Assign each student to create their own chart and presentation. Which pedagogical approach using ICT resources will best meet the educational outcome? Divide the class into 10 pairs of students. Assign each pair to work collaboratively to create the chart and presentation. They should be correct. Okay, correct.
Well done. You've completed this MC practice exam session. Keep practicing and stay exam ready. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more sessions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.